Hi friends, for many people it is very easy to gain weight. They gain weight dramatically within a week if they eat normally. However, losing weight takes months and sometimes years. This rapid onset of weight and slow weight loss is due to weak metabolism. In this video, I am making a simple paste which you can eat as is in the morning before breakfast. This paste boosts metabolism in the morning, burns fat, accelerates the weight loss process and lowers bad cholesterol in the body. The net effect is faster weight loss in a very short period. Let's see how to make this. For this, you need unsweetened whole Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is lower in sugar compared to other types. It is also rich in protein, making it ideal to boost metabolism. This is good for bones and improves digestion. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use normal homemade dahi curd that you get in India. In a glass or ceramic bowl, take 3 tablespoons of whole Greek yogurt. Next, we need organic turmeric. Turmeric is truly magical herb as it has a broad range of health benefits. It is a powerful herb in boosting metabolism, reducing belly fat and has the ability to melt down stubborn fat. Friends, it is very important to take organic items. Nowadays, a lot of food items are adulterated, so getting organic varieties ensures quality. To this yogurt, add a half teaspoon of organic turmeric. Now we need organic cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a special pepper made from hot chilies. It has a main ingredient called capsaicin, which is a thermogenic chemical, meaning it will speed up your metabolism and decrease appetite. It also helps to burn more calories easily. Add a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Be careful to start with a smaller amounts of pepper if you cannot tolerate hotness. Alternatively, you can also use black pepper for this. Finally, we will add organic cinnamon. Cinnamon has regulatory effect on blood sugar levels and increases insulin levels in the body. Cinnamon can prevent the storage of fat and enables you to lose weight. Cinnamon also keeps you full for a long time and helps to burn more calories. To this, add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. As it is so bland and you may not like it. Now, you can add little salt for the taste. It is better to add Himalayan pink salt. Salt is optional, you can skip it if you want. Now, mix everything properly. You can also add lemon juice if you want a better taste. Take these 3 tablespoons daily in the morning before breakfast. Do this for a minimum of 1 month and you can continue if you like to get tremendous weight loss results. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.